Tonight on It's the Law, Fox News anchor Grechen Carlson received $20 million in a sexual harassment settlement. Our legal analyst, attorney Jay Davis, is here. Jay, when is it right to settle outside of court? When is it right to go through a whole trial and then figure something out at the end of that?
The truth is that you're never really sure. It's always got to be a personal thing on when you decide to do it, whether it's a criminal charge or whether or not it's, something like this, some sort of a lawsuit settlement. You always have to anticipate how long is it going to take to get to where you want to be. Whatever you think you may be entitled to, how long does it take to get there? What's it worth? What's the risk? So if you go to a lawsuit, if you go all the way to trial, that's why a lot of times companies will just push you and push you and push you and then make a good offer right there before trial, because they're not really at risk until there's actually going to be for sure a trial. And here you never know what's going on, like in the Fox News station. Apparently there's some insider issues going on with the boss's son sort of taking some power, and then they kind of would like to sort of edge out Roger Ailes, who was really the culprit here, it seems. So they were kind of wanting to get rid of him anyway. So that probably had an influence in them being more ready to negotiate rather than rallying around somebody that they more supported. They might have, pushed a little bit stronger against the lawsuit. So sounds like she was offered a pretty good settlement. And probably from her standpoint, it was a good time to make that decision.
But generally speaking, is there a financial advantage from settling either in or outside of court, you think?
A lot of times, if you're trying to settle like a personal injury lawsuit that we might have a lot of times here, you might be careful not to push too far down the line. Sometimes it's better to get a little bit less now rather than waiting all that time and the risk of going to trial or who's going to be available for trial by the time that gets. So you always want to consider that risk, but a lot of times companies will not make that good offer to you early on, so you have to sort of force them into getting a little bit closer, putting a little bit of pressure on them as you go. So if you don't get anywhere close to the number you're looking for, you might want to wait it out.
As a lawyer, what's your recommendation? Waiting it out until the brink of it?
We normally do well. On personal injuries, we normally do well getting an upfront settlement. There's some good companies, insurance companies, that want to go ahead and settle and get those things done. But there's a few companies, and I could name them if I wanted to.
Okay.
There's a few companies, when you start it, you're going to have to push them to the end, because without that pressure, they're not going to give you the right settlement.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And as always, we want to hear your legal questions. If you have any, you can email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com. We'll do our very best to answer those questions each Wednesday during the news at 6. When we come back, one last look at tonight's forecast with Cecilia plus Bill Shanks. Stick around.